make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Well, I gotta actually start to record. I have no idea how to play this. I has a gun now.
Oh no.
Oh.
Pandy, press escape. Press escape.
What do I
brings
do?
up the menu.
Okay, I got that.
It brings up the menu. Then go on keybinds.
Oh. Attack, block, throw. Don't touch me while I'm figuring things out. Don't.
You're trying to shoot me.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm having the greatest of luck. I am having so much luck. I think I killed myself. I think I legitimately just kind of shot myself off the cliff. That's great. Oh, that's the block. Oh. No. No.
Snakes.
Sometimes I click the jump button and no, What?
I died.
Sometimes I press the jump button and I don't jump. How? What?
No, yeah.
I'm not
saying.
Look. I'm not jumping.
You're trying so hard.
Oh. I can't jump. It won't let me jump.
What's the keybind for it?
I'm sorry. Keybind. Where's jump? Oh, it's... That's up. What the heck?
Things?
No, I'm pressing up. What is that? What is the...
Escape.
Yeah.
Come get me. How did I win?
I killed myself. What is this? I don't know what I'm doing.
I fail. I have a gun.
Oh, what?
Is this you have a sword. Oh. I know.
Ah! I don't understand guns! I understand knives!
Oh no.
I am the master of knives! Oh
no. No, Pandy, no.
Haha!
Snakes! Snakes! Not the snakes!
Die.
No.
Oh god, well, You seem to be winning at this a lot.
You got an achievement for that.
Whoa, well. You seem to be winning a lot, Cat.
Somehow.
No, leave me be.
Oh no. Ow.
Okay. I've learned the art of rapid clicking. Okay.
What does that do? What does that thing do?
Repeatedly smacking. And eventually I'll get somewhere. If I just repeatedly smack you, something will happen.
Let me jump.
Hey! I'm figuring out the- Oh. Hey.
Oh, I'm just gonna... I thought there wasn't anything there for a second. Hey.
Hello.
I have gun! Ow.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Ah,
Oh, no.
yes.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Help. Ah!
Go. Be gone.
How rude. Uh-oh.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yep. Hiya!
Oh, what? I couldn't figure out where I was at that point. I lost track of where I was. For some reason, I thought I was you.
Yep.
Ah! What? Oh, I see where this is going. I see where this is going. Oh, God. Ah! Oh, well. I had no control over that.
Oh no.
Ow. What is this game?
Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Honey.
Ah! Well, sorry, what?
Oh.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Never mind. Oh, no. Oh no. Oh.
No. No.
No gun. Only
No.
I stay.
Nope.
Oh.
Haha. On guard.
No. Oh no, oh no.
I have some questions. What?
Ah.
Ah.
Oh no, oh no. Oh
Angry
no.
noises. Angry noises. Angry noises.
Hip, 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 hip.
Angry noises. Angry
He's okay.
noises. Angry noises. Angry noises. Why did you get the gun first?
Ow.
Where did you go?
I ran off the edge.
Hello there.
No. No. No.
Goodbye.
No.
What the hell?
Bazooka. Hello. Snakes.
We didn't establish what we were going to. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks.
Yes. Ow. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh
no.
Wait! Ah! Ooh.
No, no thank you. Perish. Perish. Ow.
Yeah?
Perish. Ow. I can be here all day. Haha.
Haha! On guard! What? I didn't even mean to grab the gun! Jesus! Hello over there.
Yep. Oh no. Pandy, no. Pandy, no. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No,
oh my god. Ah! It's a roommate. That was a...
Oh no. Oh no. 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 Ah! Oh no. Oh no. You killed us all! No!
Hang on, I need to change my key binding. Holy crap. There we go. I might actually be able to do something. There we go. Well.
I don't know what just happened.
Neither do I.
It's closing, it's closing, it's closing.
Ah, wow.
I did the thing. Oh no.
I'ma let that happen.
No touchy. Touchy.
Oh, well. I kill myself more than you do anything to me. I'm just saying I'm skilled.
Ow.
What happened?
I fell into a spike.
Did I do something?
I fell into a spike.
I am a tree now.
No! Ow. The block does nothing. Hey, how's it going? No, no, shoot, shoot. Perish! 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 Oh no.
I was about to say, wait, are you starting with a gun? I'm sorry. What?
Ouch. I didn't even do anything.
But we both fell. Wait a minute, I know this.
Wait, I remember this. Let me in, let me in, let me in.
I have a problem. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yikes. Yikes.
Hey, how's it going?
Let me have Knifey. Knifey is mine! Hello, Vidal! Hello!
Hey, how's it going? Oh no.
Well,
I did the thing.
you did nothing.
Exactly.
Oh,
Perish. Perish.
Uh-oh.
Perish. Perish.
There's nothing I could do there. Oh, no.
Snakes.
Ow! No.
Hey, what's up? No. No, shoot. Gun. Hep, hep. How did you get it? Oh no. It was a.
Eh?
No.
Yeah. What are you trying to do? What the hell? You threw me through a wall!
Ow.
Someone is something.
Oh no. How?
What?
How?
I'm stuck. Help. Where am I going? I'm trying to go up.
Go get him, boys. No, not me. You me.
No, leave me be. What? I'm upset.
Grenade launcher.
I'm upset.
Oh no. Oh no. This can go very bad. Help! Oh no. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't
Look what
do it.
I have, cat.
Nope.
Ah! That
don't
upsets
know.
me. When that happens, that upsets me. Oh.
Hey.
Hey. I have knifey! Can't do much when I have the knife. Come here. Come here.
No.
Come here.
No. How?
Take it.
Did I run off the edge?
Yes.
How? Oh no. Oh no. No, shoot. Go away. Go away. Fine, I'll go away.
Yeah?
You don't get to say use it. My god, it's a monkey.
Okay. Now I'm getting the hang of it.
No. Ow. How?
No.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, let's go.
No.
Oh, what? You just yeeted me into that laser. My god.
How are you punching me through the wall? What? Oh no. I have a bad feeling about it.
I'm getting the hang of this game, cat.
Perish.
I
don't know. Oh.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Oh no.
Knifey? Knifey?
I'm not doing very good. Ah! I'm gonna just...
Yeah?
I can't jump.
Get fucked.
Take.
Oh. Oh. Ah! Oh.
Ah, that is snakes!
Oh.
I wish.
Those barrels are a problem. Oh. 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 I didn't know this is what we were doing!
I didn't either. And yet here we are. Oh no.
You know what? I'm just gonna... Why am I going...
Oh no.
What the heck
No.
in heck?
Hey, Scappy. Never mind, I ain't going down there. Oh, come on. I'm good down here, fam.
It really was just gonna punish me for going over to you. Like, it really was. Whoa! Yikes! As soon as I saw that, I was like, I know something's about to go horribly wrong here.
Denied.
What was even happening at that point?
Yeah. Where are this? Oh, snake barrels.
The barrels.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh hey. No. Leave me be. How? What?
Snakes.
I freaking hell. Well, okay. Well,
Snakes. Oh no. I'm not going down to a fight.
Okay. I'm gonna say we go to 40 and then that be that.
Yeah, I think at some point it like loops.
I can't get up. I'm having difficulties. Where am I? Where was I?
I think you were stuck.
Where did I go? I couldn't do it.
I think you were stuck.
So stupid.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh. The gods are angry. You good over there? Uh-huh.
I wish. Ow, I stabbed myself. Please. Please. Snakes.
I don't know where I went at that point. I couldn't figure out where I was anymore. Ah, wow! Yeah.
Hey.
What? The love is mean to me.
Oh no, my computer needs charged. No.
Get out of here. Oh. Oh. So I guess that's that.
Oh, wait, did we reach 40? I didn't realize.
Yeah, we reached 40. I did. I win. I got 40. Stop it. Stop it. What the heck?
I think it's a one-shot.
How rude. We hit 40. Get out of here. Get out of here. I won. Get out of here. Get out of here. I said get out of here.
That was from the snakes. 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 Snakes.
Yeah. Snakes. Snakes. They kind of suck, don't they?
Not as much as bullets. Oh no.
I'm done. I'm done.
You done?
I'm done. I'm done. I give up.
We know.
Give up. Kill me.
Oh.
Or up.
Well, I didn't do anything there. Oh no.
Kill me. Kill me.
No, you're just gonna die anyway from the lava.
That's enough. I've had enough.